to discuss volunteer. Remember, our content here for educational purposes only. We're not financial advisors, so always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. So, guys, remember, Beyond Meat is testing our major new resistance around this white line and this orange line. What I mean about that, if this is the first time for you here, remember this stock already did 1000% and then got shorted big time after hitting the all-time high around the 8 until now almost 90% down. So you see what's going on here. Huge volatility right now, 29 million worth of volume, 15%, but technically at the market open we reverse almost 30%. However, we still currently inside this very channel that we entered on the end of October last month. And you see here, every time we test this white line, we got a big seller. Here, we got major seller. And here, testing again around this white line. Okay, technically, we kind of broke the orange line right now. So I'm going to adjust the main resistance to confirm that we're going to have a squeeze for this month is around the $1.55. So now we might test this level, go up again around the 128 and pull back. If we have this reaction, is mean we don't have a confirmation yet for Beyond Meat to squeeze. Even though we have great kind of news about announcement for conversion rate for 2033 convertible notes, we have a lot of news going on for Beyond Meat. And of course, the market has started to reverse, not just for Beyond Meat, but for ABLD. It was down 10% and the day before 10%, and now is up almost 15%. Tesla, all the major stocks starting to reverse right now. So this is might help ABLD to squeeze for this month. This will be crazy good if we actually broke for Beyond Meat today and at least test the 155 this time before the end of trading session for today. We have still few hours before the end of this day. The most important thing is holding over the 88 that we discussed yesterday, guys. If you don't remember, we already did updates for Beyond Meat. We always do updates for the Beyond Meat daily, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button in order to be notified once we do the next update for Beyond Meat. So for today or yesterday and the day before, we said the 88 should be the bottom, and guess what? We got our reversal here right now, and we reversed technically 30%. So yeah, as we said, we need to break the $1.55 or at least test it for today. So we're missing another 25%. So now 20%. So if you see Beyond Meat 45%, is mean we are on the right track to squeeze up at least around the $2.20 to do another 40%. So we need 40% plus 40% to confirm the major squeeze for Beyond Meat. Let me know, guys, in comment section below what you think about the price action. We're going to have this reaction for Beyond Meat before the end of this month, because we still have 2 weeks left before the end of this month, before the start for the next month of December. We might have the squeeze before then for Beyond Meat.